Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Ford Transit Custom short wheelbase. The shape runs from the 5th month 2016 through to the 4th month 2019. It has an EcoBlue 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. EcoBlue 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, front bumper cover, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear sliding door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left hand tail light, right front door has 3 small dents, right guard has 1 dent, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, sat nav control panel, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.